Production operator for repetitive manufacturing confirms that component materials have been backflashed. Choose the production execution repetitive manufacturing space. To open the app, select the confirm repetitive manufacturing tile. Assembly backflash is selected. In the plant order field, enter plant order number and press enter. That is 304. Note the posting date and document date. Choose post with corrections. Here quantity is 8 pieces, plant 1710 and storage location 171B. Choose post. The confirmation message shows that the finished materials are received into stock and raw materials are issued from stock. You have successfully confirmed that component materials have been backfilled.